Hi, I'm Jeff, and welcome to Slow English Stories. Today's story is about Anna. Anna is an English learner, and one morning she almost gave up. But something small, something simple, changed everything. Listen slowly. Repeat with me, and let's practice English step by step. This story will help you practice listening, shadowing, and emotional vocabulary. Stay with me until the end. And if you enjoy learning with stories, don't forget to subscribe and support this journey. Now let's begin. Anna woke up feeling heavy. Her eyes were tired. Her body was tired. And her mind felt even more tired. She looked at her notebook on the table. She looked at her phone full of English reminders. She sighed and whispered, "I don't think I can do this today." The room was quiet. Only the soft sound of morning rain. A peaceful sound. But inside Anna, nothing felt peaceful. She wanted to study. She wanted to improve her English. She liked the language. She liked the progress. But some days, progress feels far away. Very far away. Anna opened her notebook anyway. The pages looked confusing. The words didn't make sense. Her brain felt slow, like everything was stuck. She read one line, just one, but she didn't understand it. She closed the notebook quickly. Frustration filled her chest. Her throat felt tight, and she thought, maybe English is not for me. Anna walked to the kitchen, made a warm cup of tea, and sat near the window. She needed a moment, just a quiet moment. Outside, she saw a little boy with his father. The boy was learning to ride a bike, but he kept falling. First fall, second fall, third fall. Each fall looked painful. Each fall looked discouraging. But the boy kept standing up. He brushed the dirt from his knees. He held the bike again. He pushed forward again.
Anna watched closely. She felt something inside her. A small spark. A tiny light. The boy whispered, "No fear," almost like a secret to himself. And his father smiled and clapped. Small steps, just small steps. Anna repeated those words softly. Small steps. They felt gentle, comforting, true. She went back to her room. She opened her notebook again. But this time, she didn't expect perfection. She didn't expect speed. She didn't expect magic. She expected just one small step. She read one short paragraph, slowly, calmly, without pressure. She repeated one simple sentence, softly, with patience. She learned just one new word, only one. Minutes passed, 10, 15, and suddenly her mind felt lighter. Her chest felt calmer. Her confidence felt a little stronger. Anna realized something powerful. She didn't need to be fast. She didn't need to be perfect. She just needed to continue, a little every day. Later that evening, Anna went for a short walk. The sky was soft and gray. The street was quiet, and she thought again about the boy on the bike. His courage, his determination, his tiny voice saying, "No fear." Anna smiled because she understood she could do the same with English. Day after day, Anna practiced a little, sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes 10. Sometimes she practiced more, sometimes less. But she continued. She didn't stop. She didn't quit. One afternoon, Anna listened to a short English podcast, and to her surprise, she understood a full sentence. No translation, no guessing, just pure understanding. Her heart felt warm. She smiled to herself, a small smile, but a real one.
Anna closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and whispered, "Small steps, big changes." Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat with me. She felt tired. She almost gave up. She tried again. Small steps. Her confidence grew. She understood the sentence. Repeat again with me. She opened her notebook. She learned one word. She kept going slowly. She felt proud. She didn't quit. Let's practice vocabulary from the story. Tired means feeling without energy. Repeat. Tired. Confused means not understanding clearly. Repeat. Confused. Proud means feeling happy about your progress. Repeat. Proud. Journey means a long process or path. Repeat. Journey. Small steps means little actions that help you grow. Repeat. Small steps. Now, let's review the story. Anna felt tired. She felt slow. She almost quit English. But something small inspired her. A boy learning to ride a bike. A boy who said, "No fear." A boy who kept trying. Anna decided to continue. Just a little, every day. One word, one sentence, one step. And little by little, her confidence grew. Her understanding improved. And she discovered something important. You don't need to be fast. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to continue. Slowly, gently, patiently. Great job today. You practiced listening, shadowing, and vocabulary with me. I'm proud of your effort. I'm proud of your time. And I'm proud of your small steps. If you liked this episode, give it a like. Leave a comment and subscribe for more slow English stories. Take care and keep going.